Hello everybody, in this video I am going to show you the difference between explode and join. So firstly, I'm going to draw a rectangle for example. So this rectangle, as you see, is connected these corners between each other. So if I want to separate these corners or the line from each other, I am going to the explode. So choose explode, then select source, then select enter. So now these lines are separated from each other. Okay, if I want to join or connect it, this line, so I'm going to the join command, join, then click enter, select source, then click enter. Now this is returning back to join from this line. For example, if I draw triangle, as you see this line are separated from each other. So if I want to connect these corners, I'm going to write join. So now I write join, join, then click enter, then select source, then click enter. Now this line, all of them are joined. If I want to separate it, I uh, select explode, then select object, then click enter. This is separated from each other. So explode is used to separate between the line, and join is used to connect from the line between each other. Thank you so much for watching.